Meaning of intercommunication.
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 Intercommunication. The term intercommunication refers to the exchange or transmission of information, messages, or ideas between two or more people, groups, or organizations. It involves the process of sending or receiving information through various forms of communication, such as verbal communication, written communication, or digital communication. The goal of intercommunication is to establish understanding, promote cooperation, and achieve common objectives among the parties involved.